Hello, this is Jen and Richard with an Ocean Australian guide to property law related services. In this video, we'll be talking about the transfer of property between relatives. We'll be talking about why you might wish to consider transferring property ownership titles between relatives and anything else you may wish to consider before undertaking such an action.
Before we begin, it's important to clarify who we are talking about when we say relatives. In this case, the definition of relatives are those who are a parent, grandparent, great-grandparent, sibling, uncle or an aunt, niece or nephew in relation to the individual who we are concerning ourselves with.
As you go through life, it's fair to say that property is one of, if not the most expensive purchase in your life. With how expensive and important properties are to everyone, many people believe that their property is in relatively safe hands, with a variety of rules and regulations in place to protect your ownership of your property. However, in reality, there are numerous scams, tricks, and complications that can easily erase your hard work, leaving your property forfeit to the banks, the government, or other third-party entities.
Some of the more common scams include unknowingly transferring your property to a third-party entity, being tricked into paying your loan to an entity other than the bank, which may result in the bank absorbing your house to repay for missing loan repayments, and giving other third parties enough sensitive information to transfer your property's title ownership to their name instead.
Meanwhile, various complications in life, such as debt from loan payments, gambling, payments from lawsuits, and charges for criminal activities may allow the banks, the government, other third parties, or a combination of the three to seize your property as compensation for these payments.
As if all of those risks to losing your property wasn't enough, an unprepared will may also put your property at risk too.
That's right. From disputes to court appearances to hiring lawyers and providing a wealth of evidence, it is a lengthy, tiring, and expensive process for those who remain, especially during a period of grief.
So when it comes to your property, it's good to know what you can do to protect your property. If you wish to transfer your property ownership title, it's important to check if you actually own the property. A simple title check can be done to find out if you do own the property.
If you are considering transferring a property title to a relative, there's a couple of things you should consider.
First, there's an additional fee that you'll be required to pay every time you make a transfer. However, this fee does not apply to transfer between partners. So consider that first before going through with a transferal of property titles to a relative.
Finally, whilst minor, pensioners who have property titles under their name may be eligible for certain tax deductions. Thanks for watching. If you wish to know more about property law related services, feel free to watch some of our other videos or get in contact with us via email or by calling us.
Thanks for watching.